Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lexi. Today's video is going to be a sort of clean with me video. It's going to be a sort of clean with me video, but it's actually going to be cleaning only one thing, not an entire room or anything like that. So today I'm going to show you how to clean a Keurig. This is how I clean mine. For the longest time I had mine and I didn't realize that you had to clean like the internals and everything of the Keurig. I'd wipe down the outside and all that stuff, but I didn't realize that you had to clean the internal parts of it. So I actually had Googled it and watched a few YouTube videos and stuff like that, and I found the best way for me, kind of combining different techniques that I saw. So I'm going to show you how I clean mine today, and hopefully it will help you clean yours. Okay, so the first thing I do is remove any parts that can be hand washed or put in the dishwasher. So that is the bottom part. It does get a little, well, this isn't actually too dirty, but I wash this. And then inside, you can remove this. So I take this portion out and I clean it as well. And then, see, I have coffee grounds right here. So I then go and I clean kind of everything around, like here on the outside. Sorry, my son is here helping me. So I'm going to be using the Clorox Ultra Strength Blue Fibers. If you have not tried these scrubbing kinds of these disinfecting wipes, this is one I use. Bless you. I use another kind as well, but these work just as good. These work great for cleaning. So I just take one of them, and then pretty much what I do is I just scrub the outside really good. Just give it a good clean. Next, I'm just going to take a warm, damp microfiber cloth and kind of just wipe out the inside of the machine. I'm sorry if you can hear my son yelling in the background. He is playing. He just finished his breakfast, so he's in a happy mood. So I just kind of clean all of this. And I typically do this once a month, or if I'm lazy, once every other month. But just try to clean it. Oh, actually looks like this part comes out as well. Did not know that. Hand washing that as well. So then from there, I just continue to clean it. I don't know if you can see, but actually stuff is falling out onto the counter. That's about a month and a half. So it does get pretty dirty. So I would say that is pretty good. Just a spot on the outside. Perfect. So there's that. Okay, and once all of the internal parts have been washed and dried, you're just going to put them right back in. Let's see if I can remember. There we go. And okay, like that. Then what you're gonna wanna take is some kind of vinegar. I have this bottle from the Dollar Tree, the cleaning vinegar. So all you're gonna do is actually put the vinegar directly into the water area. So I'm gonna put the rest of this bottle because there is just enough. So there's that. And then you're gonna want to fill the water the rest of the way up. So you're gonna be mixing it with water and vinegar. Okay? Once that is full, you're going to take a coffee mug, any one you want, and then you're gonna run your Keurig like you would normally. So I'm running it on just hot water. So not like I'm making coffee or anything, just like if I was making a hot tea. Then you're just going to let it go through. And then from there, it's going to run that vinegar through the machine. And you're gonna do this until this water is completely empty. Then you're gonna fill it again and run this again with just plain water. I typically do 2 full things of water after the vinegar, just to make sure all the vinegar is out of the system internally. So in the morning, my coffee does not smell like does not taste like vinegar. Okay, first cup is done. All I do is I empty it, and then I just put it right back in, lift the handle, and brew another cup of hot water. And I do this until it is completely done. Okay, so the container or the batch of water and vinegar is done. So I'm just gonna refill it with just regular water. Ooh, and spill it everywhere. And now that it's just water, we're gonna run this through and clean out all the remaining vinegar that is left on the inside of the Keurig. Okay, so I ran the full thing of water and vinegar through, and then I ran 2 full containers of water through, and it looks like all the vinegar and everything is out. So my last step is just add my filtered water, and it will be all ready for us to make coffee, whether it's later today or tomorrow morning. And that is the last step. And that is the end of the video. That is how I clean my Keurig from the outside to the inside. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it helps you clean your Keurig at home. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to stick around and see more videos from me, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.